Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this problem on your 4.0 Mustang. As you can see, there's a no crank, no start. Check charging system, fuel level low. This is going to be due to a bad PCM diode and the fuse box in the bay engine. That's going to be causing this. You also can't hear the fuel pump in the back, troubleshooting. Now in the engine bay fuse box, you can see that I'm going to point at a 1.0 PCM diode on the right and then on the left. The one on the left is not necessary, the one on the right is the one that's going bad. So now that I've taken it out, you see that I have it in my hand here. I bought this little one off of Amazon right here. Guys, that's this exact same thing. It should fix your problem. If not, it's going to be something else. As I'm putting the PCM diode back in, you could hear that I leave my keys in the on position. That sound you just heard, don't do that, guys. Do not leave your keys in an on position if you're going to be doing this. Now going back into the car, you can see that I'm going to troubleshoot real quick. And I no longer have that little message on the screen. You could also hear the fuel pump priming. Oh, it should start. Hope this helped you out. If it's not a PCM diode, it could be a bigger problem such as a fuse box or just another bad fuse. Thank you for watching.